The recent acceleration of remote working scenarios has made collaboration and communication tools like Microsoft 365 critical to businesses worldwide. Moving to Microsoft 365 certainly has benefits. However, it would not be safe to assume that your data is automatically and/or fully protected. The stark reality is that costly data loss can occur anywhere the data lives, and small and mid-sized businesses are increasingly being affected, not just enterprises and government. Microsoft 365 does offer some basic protection. However, data is only kept for 30 days. In fact, Microsoft recommends using a third-party data protection solution. What is needed is a solution that fills the gaps and provides you with the peace of mind you need to ensure your critical productivity data is safe. With Cloud Backup, you get an easy-to-use, cloud-based data protection service with unlimited backup and one-click restoration. What sets it apart is the comprehensive deployment and management flexibility across the Microsoft 365 suite, including critical new collaboration and communication tools such as Microsoft Teams. You get an unlimited backup service that ensures ongoing business continuity and provides peace of mind that your critical business information is protected. Businesses across the globe rely on Cloud Backup as their data protection solution. As a complement to Microsoft 365, it offers the ideal better together package for maintaining business continuity. Let us know if we can help you explore ways to ensure productivity for your business.